What's up guys, Stixx Picks here, back in the video with that flea market. Of course, we got our big old trailer we are selling too. We actually brought the trailer today, not just Christmas stuff, which we do have a little bit set up so far. We're about to set up the trailer. I just want to do my intro. We're gonna do one little lap real quick around the flea market before we set up, just to see if I can find anything. Whew. It's chilly. What's up, how you doing?
Be like you.
It's cold this morning, guys. Everyone's still setting up though, so we'll see what we can find. Honestly, it's not too big of a deal if we don't get something this early. Usually I don't, unfortunately, even though my dad does say that it is great to find picks this early because that's when everything's actually here. Of course, you know, people do find stuff early, which does make sense, but unfortunately that's not me. All right. Nice little table set. That's probably gonna be going for cheap. If you guys ever need like a table set or something, you guys can always just go to the flea market. They'll end up being pretty cheaper towards the end of the day, depending who you get it from. Sometimes we'll sell some stuff for like 10 bucks if we don't want to put it back in the trailer. Like $1 even, like we don't even care sometimes. Oh, I was sitting a PS5 right here. I wonder how much they're selling a PS5 for, but it's definitely not in here. It's a pretty light box. How much for this? All right, let's see how much it's worth, guys. Pay $5 for it, it'll sell for how much? I don't think it's fine. I'm all right. It's a bit cold this morning. What's up? Oh yeah, I post on YouTube a bit. How much on these? Oh, it says the price right here. 50, alright. Nice pair of shoes. Where's the tag at? Oh, there's no tag in here. Alright. Alright, you have a good day.
Oh, okay.
Alright, those shoes can actually be pretty profitable to flip if you actually get a good price on them and you find a really good pair. I wasn't actually recording the first one of the pairs I found a little bit earlier, but they were actually selling for somewhat of a good price. Maybe they said 20 bucks for them, and they actually sold for upwards of like 100 and something bucks, like 120, but that was like kind of newer. Mine was a little beat up, but I didn't really want to take the chance on it, so I didn't buy it because the shoes were slightly beat up, like they were kind of messed up. All right, guys, we walked around. We're at the end of the market now. We didn't find much. We're waiting for some people to set up now. So we'll keep you guys updated though. We'll show you what we find in a little bit. We're gonna set up. I don't really show too much footage of me setting up because it's kind of annoying having my camera on my chest while setting up. All right, we're starting to set up a little bit. We got the Christmas stuff set up. We got these tables out already. I thought we had more to set up today, but I guess we're only bringing like half the trailer pretty much.
We're gonna go through the trailer.
We're gonna go through the trailer.
We're gonna sell some stuff.
We're gonna sell some stuff.
We're gonna consolidate.
We're gonna consolidate.
And then we're going to reload for
next market, which is Alameda. That fancy flea market. You guys wanna see the sunrise, you know, it's pretty cool. All right, I was looking some stuff up. This knife is pretty good knife. Asking 80 bucks on it. It's about worth 80 bucks on eBay. I think it actually sells for a bit, like maybe 90 to 100 bucks is the highest I saw, but unfortunately that's full price. Might as well eBay it, right? You said these are 10, right?
Yeah.
Will you go 15 for both of these or no?
16.
I'll do it. Thank you, I appreciate it. Let's go, guys. We got a bunch of Dragon Ball stuff. Look at this. This thing is sick. Unfortunately, like, I don't like the way like these little ridges are in the paintings, but it doesn't matter. From afar, this thing looks sick in either way, you know? That thing's very cool looking. Thank you. Have a good day. There's like 10 posters in here, by the way, or like 6. There's like multiple. It's not just one big old poster. That's why I thought it was kind of cool. It's $10. I'll buy all these for some money. Screw it. All right, guys. I came back to my stall, and my dad was like, "Dang, we found some gold, guys. Where's the gold at? What's gold?
It's
This is gold. Dang, he found some gold where I went picking for a second. These are silver, I'm guessing, right?
Yes.
Woo!
Those are
Some
gold.
silver and gold in the unit, guys.
That's the first jewelry we found in this unit, Michael.
That's crazy. There were still a couple boxes from the unit that we didn't actually record. We kind of just put in the trailer to record later on, which is now. Now it's later on, so let's figure out what we set aside. All right, looks like there's to be some decorative stuff. Look at that. We got the top to a jar. I'm assuming this is going to be the jar. We're assuming that this is going to be the jar. Yep. All right. Give me 20 bucks.
20? Okay.
I'll do 15 on it. Then we got this little decorative little jar. What is this? Probably for like the kitchen. Put some stuff in. We haven't filmed this stuff yet, so we don't really know what it was gonna be here. Making sure it's not too pricey.
That was actually a pretty cool thing. I bet that's $10.
I bet you. Ooh, the Three Stooges with some glue in it. Oh my gosh.
What
guys.
is that for?
Curry powder.
You want to keep that for your night you start cooking? No?
Oregano. I'm gonna pick around. The pirate's trying to keep me from picking, guys. And Stixx Picks. He's trying to pick. Damn, look at it's our Christmas lights. This is exactly what we got, guys. I wonder how much he's selling it for. This is different. Dang, who got this stuff? How much you asking on lights? Alright, that guy, I wonder who he got them from. I wonder if he bought it off that one dude, because there wasn't really many units sold from like that set. Or from that guy in specific. So I wonder if that guy just liquidated it all to that guy for a certain price or something. I wonder. Oh, they brought out more Dragon Ball stuff, guys. Nah, that's not. We can't buy more Dragon Ball stuff, guys. We gotta make money, not spend money. Unfortunately. How much are the shoes?
45.
So I've really walked around like this whole flea market. Like this is the last booth of the market, and I didn't really find much of anything to resell. There's a bunch of cool things you can buy, I guess, just to keep, but I wouldn't say resell items. We're back at our stall. We really didn't bring much out today. We left a lot of stuff in our trailer just because it was from our last storage unit, and we didn't record every single item, so we would like to make sure we didn't miss anything. We went through this trunk. My dad did and recorded it. He found some pretty cool stuff, so I made him wanna leave the stuff in there. But what confuses me when we're selling is these Christmas lights. Like I'll say, like $5, $5, $5. This is like $8. You know, all these are $5 though. And they'll just like drop it. Like they'll just put it down instantly. But like, what do you expect to hear? You want me to say like $1? Or want me to say like $3? Like, what do you expect? I mean, you can go pay a bunch of money in the store, probably like $20 for something we're selling for $5. That's on you. We had to put all the Christmas lights in the back of the truck, of course. I don't think we really got too many Christmas sales For some reason, people will just drop the items. It's fine. If $5 is too much for like one of these boxes of Christmas lights, that is fair enough. But if you have to go buy some this year in the store, something like this will probably be like 20 bucks, 25 bucks, probably maybe even more. I don't know. I don't buy Christmas lights.